Just moments ago, we witnessed the official arrival of ASEAN leaders here at the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre. With all the leaders are now here, the summit will soon proceed with the main meeting sessions where key regional issues will be addressed.
And this year's summit comes at a pivotal juncture. With ASEAN's Community Vision 2025 nearing its horizon, today's discussion will help shape the post-2025 agenda, one that must be bold, forward-looking and resilient to uncertainty.
Heads of government and heads of states are now being ushered into conference.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.